model, 2018 Citroen Berlingo Partner Enterprise Bluehdi Long MOT 3-seater great color. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 186711. MOT, the 29th of May 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.